Hi everyone, I'm Lynn Kleiner. I am an early childhood and elementary music teacher. And due to the drastic cuts in music education in schools, I started Music Rhapsody way back in 1983. I have a fabulous, talented team of teachers. We go into schools, we provide in-service workshops to school districts worldwide, and we have online and live teacher training. And here on YouTube, we love to share what we do with children and teachers. So I hope that you will subscribe to our channel so that we can